Hello, good afternoon, BGS Dent Repair. My name is Latrina. I am a local business here in Frederick, Maryland. I've been making these free videos for small businesses to help them after the pandemic with improving their online presence. I did come across your business and I wanted to share some free tips and tricks to help you to improve your presence online. There's no selling in this video. There's nothing that you're going to need to buy. I'm just making these to bring value and service to the community after the pandemic. But your feedback is important, so please take a moment afterwards to let me know if you found the tips helpful or if you have any questions whatsoever. So I'll get started. Quickly, I'll go over content, backlinks, and citations and why these are important website elements for you to have. I'll go over your company's online presence and make recommendations. Content is anything on your website such as words, images, and videos. You want to have as much content as possible to get the relevant keywords that people are actually typing into Google to find your services. Ideally, Google recommends 1,500 words on the homepage and 500 on the back pages to rank. Citations are found throughout the internet, so in directories like Google, Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. It includes your business name, your address, your phone number. I have a sample here. It's very short and sweet, but you want to get as many of these throughout the internet as possible for your business in order to outrank your competition, and ideally you'll have more than your competitors. Then the backlinks are your website addresses. Your website address located on other website addresses. For example, if you have Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Instagram, any of those, these are backlinks that are helping to direct traffic back to your website. Google places extreme high emphasis on small businesses or businesses in general that have many backlinks. The more backlinks you have, the more validation Google gives you. You appear to be a legitimate company and you become popular. And you want to make sure your backlinks are actually relevant to your line of work. So let's go ahead and take a look at your online presence. If we go Dent Repair, Frederick, Maryland, we do find you here in the prime real estate of Google, which is the map pack. You're listed there among other competitors, which is great. You want to maintain that presence on this homepage because this is where most of the traffic is taking place. But when we look at your website, there's very little content here. I highly recommend you take the time to build out your website and get the 1,500 words on your homepage as Google recommends. This again allows the Google bots to stay on your page, to crawl your page and grab those keywords that people are actually going to be searching for. And of course, this translates to your business being put in the search results when people are doing a search for dent repair in Frederick, Maryland. Also, I would recommend if you also cover other areas outside of Frederick, Maryland, like the surrounding areas, maybe Urbana, maybe Hagerstown, any of those, be sure to include keywords related to that too, because it just broadens your scope. It makes you more available. And when you're saving your images on your page, be sure to save them with actual keywords related to your service. For example, dent repair in Frederick, Maryland. That would be a good keyword to use to save this image rather than this number. Again, you want to give Google the opportunity to crawl your website and find reasons to put you as a search result. When we look at your stats in Google Analytics, you have a popularity rating right now of 0, and that's a scale 1 to 100. You have 2 backlinks, 1 referring domain, and 30 keywords. The 30 keywords are actually interesting because when I look at your keywords, they're national keywords. They're not keywords specific to your area. You do have a couple here like Dent Masters Rockville, Body Shops Frederick, Maryland. You want to get more of those, okay? The more Paintless Dent Repair Gaithersburg, the more keywords you have like this, the better your opportunity to be shown to those people who are looking for your services, okay? And you can see there is a volume of searches going on for the national words, but also for those local ones. So right now you're being presented when people do a search for Body Shops Frederick, Maryland, 150 people search that per month, and you are number 49 on that list. So again, if you improve your content, that will improve your stats here, and therefore you'll be able to get more traffic. If we take a look at your competitors, like Top Gun Collision Repair is one of your top competitors in the map pack. On a daily basis, you've been getting about 3 clicks, 7 clicks, 10 clicks this week, okay? But if we look at your competitor, They've been getting 69 clicks, 65 clicks, 45, 51, so significantly more than you are. And they are not actually listed very well. Like, you can certainly outrank them and do even better than what they're doing right now. So my feedback for you in general is to take some time to build out your website, get some more content. Again, 1,500 words minimal for your homepage. It sounds like a lot, but it's going to pay off, right? You want to outrank so that you can bank. You want to get those customers. So get the 1,500 words on your homepage and 500 on your back pages. I hope this is helpful. Shoot me an email. Let me know if these tips were helpful or not. And that's it. Have a wonderful day, and I wish you much success. Bye-bye.